Each leaf in this tea has a story.
Gene, you seem a little different.
Not just seem. I am. You see, I had a near-death experience.
Oh, no. What happened?
I was at the Singapore Zoo. I climbed on the railings to make faces at the lions. Then I fell in the pit.
What?
As that lioness was clawing my chest, I realized life is precious and we must value every moment while we have on this earth.
He's not a hurricane. He's a warm breeze on a hot summer day.
This is great. This new Gene is more annoying than ever.
So, Jim, you came here for my retirement. Did you bring me a gift?
I did, Mother. I brought you a deep hug of gratitude.
No, thank you. Does anybody know how to give a gift anymore?